No idea what is listening on port 80 in OS X. I'm on OS Mountain Lion 10.8.3, and I've freshly rebooted my Mac. I want to start a service, like Apache on port 80, but there is already something going on with port 80. Wait, I hear you say, you can find that with Usoft or Netstat. Except there is nothing there. So from what I know about Unix systems, I figure this must be a packet forwarding rule then. i.e. packets are being forwarded from inbound port 80 to something else, which is listening on that service. Nothing unusual there. Nothing unusual there. My question is, how can I display any packet forwarding rules? On Linux I might just do iptables LTNet or iptables L. Or alternatively, can any OS experts help me diagnose this problem?
You need to run these commands as root to show other users' processes, for example. macOS X includes an Apache web server that can be controlled using iptables as root. It's usually started via launched. The corresponding configuration file is /system/library/launchagent/org.apache.httpd.plist. If it's not this Apache running on port 80, it is probably launched, Apple's implementation of a daemon manager. According to Wikipedia. When launch scans through the job plist, at boot time it reserves and listens on all of the ports requested by those jobs. If so indicated in the plist by the on-demand key, the daemon is not actually loaded at the time. Rather, launch will listen on the port, start the daemon when needed, and shut it down when it is not. After a daemon is loaded, launched will keep track of it and make sure it is running if needed.
Just to make the actual answer clear in case users are searching for this. Launched scans the /system/library/launchdaemon/on boot and works out from org.apache httpd plist that when Apache is started it needs to forward port 80 onto it. Sudo apache start was done. However, there was a mistake in the httpd.conference file, meaning Apache was not started, although this was not reported via the apache command. Launch decided to listen on port 80, as it thought Apache was up. But the contents of any HTTP request resulted in an immediate close of the connection. Sudo sofi column 80 yielded no answers. Sudo netstat and grep listen yielded no answers for port 80. There was no information so far as I could tell in any diagnostic tools that showed that port 80 was in use or listening. Fixing Apache's httpd.conference and restarting Apache successfully, so httpd was in the PS table, led HTTP requests to be successful. I was therefore mistaking that I couldn't run Apache, because there was already something listening on port 80, rather than Apache conference itself was the cause.
I just ran into this same problem with OS X El Capitan and Avast antivirus. Sudo sofi column 80 showed a connection to avast.com. I had to. Uninstall Avast with /applications/uninstall avast.app. Sudo rmrf/library/application support/avast/applications/avast business security.app/applications/uninstall avast.app. Restart. To prevent it from using it, port 80.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.